that plants are really great at making and storing energy from sunlight. Chemist Mita Dasog and other scientists are working on a way of doing the same thing by converting sunlight into chemical fuel. Let's go check it out. I've never been in a chemistry lab before, so this is all new to me. Tell me about what you're working on right now.
Our lab does something called the shake and bake chemistry.
Like chicken?
Something similar, a little higher temperature than that. So we basically take waste byproducts, we mix these powders together, and we put it in a furnace to make functional materials. So the materials that we make, we would like to use them to capture sunlight and convert that into useful chemical fuels.
Oh, so just like plants are using photosynthesis. Why is this important, and why is this like a better way of storing energy than the ones we use now?
Society is trying to fight climate change right now, so we really need to decrease our carbon emissions. And with the increasing population and increasing energy demand, we really need to come up with alternatives to fossil fuels.
Right. So Mita, what do we have going on here?
So this is a very simplified version of the technology I was telling you about. So what we have here is water, and then we have the catalyst that we made in our lab deposited on this electrode, and we have a solar panel here. So hopefully when we connect the solar panel to these electrodes, we can split some water.
Cool.
So I'll let you try that. So let's pretend this lamp is our sun, and the sun will come out, power our solar panel, and now the electricity from there. So you can see now hydrogen bubbles forming on the electrode, and they're being formed because the water is being split on the surface of that electrode over there.
That's so cool. That's awesome. So when you come into the lab every day, are you working alone, or do you have a team of people to help you?
So most of the research is actually done by my very talented students, and all of them happen to be female graduate students.
Oh wow, cool. Tell me about how you decided you wanted to get into this, and why is science your passion?
So I got interested in science when I was a high school student. So my dad is also a professor, and he worked in the field of agriculture. So one summer, I was fortunate enough to accompany him on his field trips. And I think for the first time, I kind of really realized how important science was for society and how it was helping humanity and grow food in a more sustainable and efficient way. And that's when I really got excited about science. And I too wanted to do something that made a difference.
Chemists like Mita are using their smarts to make big changes in the world, and you can do the same thing. You might not know what you want to do right away, but start with your interests and go from there.